Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is our channel where we show you how life is in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan hills.
I love cooking traditional food.
And we love exploring our beautiful part of the world.
So please subscribe and welcome
to Piazza Talk Lucca.
Ciao a tutti from Bagni di Lucca.
Ciao. This video is a bit of a roundup of what happens at this time of the year. We're actually in Bagni di Lucca today because Jasmine Paolini, who is the number 4th women's tennis player in the world and number 1 lady tennis player in Italy, actually comes from Bagni di Lucca and was at school with our daughter. So we came to cheer her on. We're in the park of Villa Fiori, and Villa Fiori, as you can see, is in rather a sad, abandoned state. But it's about to be given new life because it's been bought by an English entrepreneur, and he is a specialist in spa and thermal construction.
A perfect place for him here.
It is indeed a perfect place. And so he's going to make luxury accommodation, a thermal spa treatment centre, and there'll also be a restaurant. And we very much hope that this will bring back great riches to Bagni di Lucca and bring it back to its heyday, and that the locals and visitors will be able to enjoy these incredible waters, these waters that are really extraordinary in Bagni di Lucca, quite unique.
We have some, the official number is, depends, sometimes I say 21, 24, but somebody told me that if you want to count the different waters in the area, you talk about 500 different kinds of waters. So it's extraordinary.
So let's hope, like Elisa Bonaparte, this new generation will be able to enjoy these incredible curative waters. So, new life to Villa Fiori, and good luck to all those involved in the project, from locals to foreigners. In this area there are lots of fables and tales of fairies and gnomes. Ponte Serraio is a really pretty part of Bagni di Lucca, and Villa Fiori has a wonderful position on the River Lima. Up at the farmhouse, we've been pruning some trees that have just got too high and are too near the house. So a wonderful group of guys from Gafagnana came and free climbed the trees, doing a wonderful job and not making any mess. Incredible. It's an absolutely beautiful, beautiful sunny day. There is not a cloud in the sky. And guess where we are? We're in Viareggio at Città del Carnevale, one of our favourite places where everybody's back at work, in their hangars, working for Carnival. So we've come back to see our friends, the Lubigre family, and see what they're up to. Sadly, we haven't been able to help this year because of Enzo's illness, and so we haven't had the time. But just spending the day here just makes us so happy to see this creativity, this joy. And as Matteo, another exhibitor who won the second category last year, said, it's one of the few places they're like bottega. They're all these artisans doing this incredible job between being artists, being electricians, being welders, being sculptors, being
Everything.
Art creations that also have a message. And a lot of the messages this year about tempesta, what's happening in the world, and a lot seem to involve the church. Seems to be quite a lot of religious things going on around here.
Yes,
I can see St. Peter's and a woman pope. One's about a goddess creating a storm. So it's just a lovely atmosphere. And we've just had a lovely meal in the coffee here with our friends from Materially Speaking. And,
Sarah and Mike,
who we worked on this project with last year, and we're all having just a wonderful time. And you create friends, and we've created a family, and we're very lucky because it's very difficult to get into this, to be part of it.
okay.
Good line. So we're going to go and say hello to our friends now. So bye. So this is the shaman's face, and the bird head comes down. And it will come down further, but I don't want to upset it yet.
Sia presto.
This might be our last video for a while, as Enzo is undergoing more treatment for his cancer. Thank you again for your love and support. Please stay with us and put a like and spread Piazza Tort Lucca. But for now, ciao a tutti and join us for a peaceful few minutes by the sea in Viareggio.